Now we will do the question number 5. Find lambda and mu if this vector cross product is 0. So first vector is 2i plus 6j plus 27k cross I plus lambda j plus mu k equal to 0 vector. So how we can find the cross product? First row will be the ijk and second row is 2 6 27, third row is 1 lambda and mu, that is equal to 0 vector means 0i plus 0j plus 0k. Now you will expand this determinant by I. First row you will expand by I when you get 6 mu minus 27 lambda, then by j you open, so minus j 2 mu minus 27 you have, then you open by k, so you write plus k bracket 2 lambda minus 6, that is equal to 0i plus 0j plus 0k you get. Now you compare both side, so 6 mu minus 27 equal to 0, 2 mu minus 27 equal to 0, and 2 lambda minus 6 equal to 0. Now 2 lambda minus 6 equal to 0 you solve, that you get lambda equal to 3, and 2 mu minus 27 equal to 0, so mu equal to 27 by 2 you get. So this type you get the answer lambda equal to 3 and mu equal to 27 by 2. If you want, you can verify this answer to put the equation 1. Now question number 6 we have to do. In question number 6, given that a dot b equal to 0 and a cross b equal to 0 vector, what can you conclude about the vector a and b? So here a dot b equal to 0 means what conditions we will have, that first case is a determinant is 0, b modulus is 0 and a perpendicular to b when a and b are non-zero vectors. Second case we have that a cross b equal to 0. So a cross b 0 means when we have a cross b 0, first case is modulus of a equal to 0, then modulus b equal to 0, or a parallel to b. A parallel to b in case a and b are non-zero. So look here, at a one time the two vectors cannot be perpendicular and parallel. So here what is the common? Common is modulus a equal to 0 or modulus b equal to 0. So here this answer will be modulus a equal to 0 or modulus b equal to 0 will be. Now question number 7 we have to do. Here this vectors ABC are given to you and you have to prove that a cross b plus c equal to a cross b plus a cross c. First of all you find a cross b plus c, that a b c are given to you, then you find plus b plus c, you will add b and c and you will get. Now you have to find the left hand side, that is a cross b plus c, that is first row is ijk, second row is a1 a2 a3, third row is the b1 plus c1, b2 plus c2 and b3 plus c3. Now you will expand this determinant, and you will get this answer. Now in question you can check what is the right hand side, a cross b and a cross c. So first you find a cross b, then you find a cross c and you will add. First you will find the a cross b, that ijk a1 a2 a3 and you will solve that. A cross c you will solve and you add 2 and 3, you will get the right hand side, and you check with the left hand side, you will get the same. Now question number 9 you have to do. Find the area of triangle with vertices A equal to 1, 1, 2 and B equal to 2, 3, 5 and C equal to 1, 5, 5. Now this is triangle ABC. Here A, B, C vertices are given to you. You have to find vector AB and vector BC. So for AB, how we can find AB? B minus A you will do, and you will find AB equal to I plus 2J plus 3K. Similarly, you find BC. BC we will find by C minus B. That will be equal to minus I plus 2J you will get. Now the area of triangle is 1 upon 2 modulus of AB cross BC you will get. So area triangle equal to 1 upon 2 modulus of AB cross BC. First you find AB cross BC. So first row is IJK, second row is 1, 2, 3, third row is minus 1, 2, 0. You will solve this determinant and you will find A cross B. AB cross BC equal to minus 6I minus 3J plus 4K. Now you find modulus. So you will get this modulus is root 61. So the area of triangle is root 61 upon 2. Question number 10 is find the area of parallelogram whose adjacent sides are determined by the vector A equal to I minus J plus 3K and B equal to 2I minus 7J plus K. The area of parallelogram whose adjacent sides are given to you A and B, then area will be modulus A cross B. Adjacent sides are given to you. You have to find the first A cross B, that is IJK. Second row is 1, minus 1 and 3, third row is 2, minus 7 and 1, and you solve this determinant. Okay, first by I, then by J, then by K you open, you will get 20I plus 5J minus 5K you will get. After that you will find the modulus of A cross B, that you will get 15 root 2. So area of the parallelogram you get 15 root 2. Now question number 11 is let the vector A and B such that modulus A is 3, modulus B is root 2 upon 3, then A cross B is a unit vector, and if the angle between A and B, what is the angle you have to find? So here A cross B equal to modulus A modulus B sin theta n cap. You will find in question is given A cross B modulus is 1. So modulus A modulus B sin theta equal to 1 you get. Now modulus A is 3, modulus B is root 2 upon 3 and sin theta equal to 1. So you can check here root 3 you can cancel. So sin theta equal to 1 upon root 2 and 1 upon root 4 what value? Theta equal to pi by 4. So the answer is pi by 4. Area of a rectangle you have to find. Here ABCD the position vectors are given to you, and here first you will find the AB vector and then BC vector, then find modulus of AB, that will be the breadth, and modulus of BC that will be the length. Now area of a rectangle is length into breadth, so you can use that method. Now first you find AB. AB will be B minus A, that will be 2I cap you will find. Now BC you will find that it will be C minus B, that is equal to minus J. Now AB modulus is 2 and BC modulus you will get that is length will be equal to minus J modulus, that is 1 you get. Now length into breadth equal to 2 into 1, that is 2 you can get direct. Okay, so this is very simple. Now question number 18 we have this find the value of I dot j cross k plus j dot k j cross k plus k dot I cross j. There j cross k is I cross k is minus j and I cross j is k. Now I dot I is 1, minus j dot j and k dot k is 1, so minus 1 plus you will get 1. Now here this question number 19 you have A dot B modulus equal to A cross B modulus. A dot B means modulus A modulus B cos theta, and modulus of A cross B equal to modulus A modulus B sin theta. So AB you will cancel, you get cos theta equal to sin theta. That is possible only when theta equal to pi by 4. So here the answer is pi by 4.